Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install this interactive US map plugin into your WordPress site and customize it, then use the shortcode in your website pages. Here, you see a live map preview and more information about its features. You can find this map and many other map plugins at wpmapplugins.com. We have world and continent maps. The US map. We also have individual US state maps with clickable counties. And other country maps. This is the full list of all our available map plugins. You can download the free trial version and try it. Then you can purchase the premium map plugin. Follow this link to purchase and download the plugin files. On your computer, unpack the downloaded file to get the installable plugin file. You will also find a documentation folder and another 2 instances of the map. You can use them if you want to have a second or third map with different colors and links. Log in to the WordPress admin panel and go to Plugins, Add New, click Upload Plugin. Browse and find the installable plugin zip file. Click Install Now. Activate plugin. Now, you will see a new tab for the map dashboard. In this section, you can customize the general look of the map, the outline color, the color of the abbreviations, and the lakes fill and outline colors. In this section, you can customize the parameters for each state, but let's first make some bulk edits to be applied on all the states at once. You can change the up color, which will be the normal color of the states when the map loads, the hover and click colors, let's make some customization to a state such as California. Here, you can insert a link to any web page. Select the target window, which can be either same page, new page, or none/modal. More information about this last option is available in a separate video. Here, you can write information that appears in the hover pop-up, and you can add images and format text using the HTML editor. You may want to make a state such as Nevada inactive. Just uncheck this box and use some dark or gray up color, like this. Looks great. Let's copy this shortcode and paste it in a page. You can use this shortcode in many pages to display the same map. And you can install another instance of the plugin to make another map with different colors and links and use it in a separate page. Perfect. At any time, you can click the Restore Default button to reload the default map settings. To hide the lakes, simply remove the hex color code and write the word transparent like this. You can uncheck its active box and give it a gray color. It's inactive but still visible. You can hide it completely by following steps. Go to Plugins, Plugin Editor, select the map from this drop-down menu and open the file map.php. Copy this Y value and paste it here. Click Update File. Now, DC is hidden. You can apply the same steps to hide the callout boxes of the small states. That's it. If you have any questions or need any help, don't hesitate to contact us through the contact form on our website. Thanks for watching.